See the duckling? Put on.
Good stack.
Good girl. On. Put on. There you go. Put on. Put on.
Good girl.
Good girl. Okay, now, one more. Put on. Put on. So close. You are good. You will find a way, if it's possible, to use both hands. Now try this. Put on. On. Try again.
Oh, so close.
So close.
On, good. That was good.
Next you'll rip out the other stitch button.